Ladies and gentlemen, guys and gals, how's everybody doing? I hope y'all are having as good of a day as I am. It is already May 27th, 2020, and we have some stuff aloof. But yeah, I guess we'll just get right into the news. So where are we at here? Bam. Or actually, we'll do it this way. So, lawsuit claims Nvidia misrepresented $1 billion in sales to crypto miners. So, at first, surface level, I was like, what's the big deal? But they're a big corporation. They're publicly owned. They have a lot of people they have to, answer to. And misrepresentation of income or funds of any sort is not good at all. So, an amended complaint or an amended class action complaint filed against Nvidia Corp has accused the firm of violating the Securities Exchange Act by downplaying the extent to which its gaming revenues relied on GPU sales to cryptocurrency miners. So the complaint filed May 14th claims that Nvidia issued deliberately misleading statements that understated more than 1 billion in GPU sales relating to crypto miners during 2017 to 2018. A kind of a big boom. A big boom and then a big drop off, but still a lot of GPUs sold in that time frame. So claims estimate the sales to miners represented over half of the company's total sales. Holy smokes, half! Wow. Nvidia was hit with a spot of lawsuits from investors after its stock price crashed nearly 30% after announcing that revenues would fall 7% during late 2018. Nvidia accused of misrepresenting. The amended complaint asserts that the firm deceived the market into believing that Nvidia's dependence on cryptocurrency related revenues was small, while falsely claiming quarter after quarter that the gaming segment's sales growth resulted from strong organic demand from gamers. Okay, yeah. 2017-2018 time frame. I can tell you personally because I was back there mining and also trying to buy graphics cards. Graphics cards were selling $200-$300 over MSRP back then, especially late 2017, early 2018. It was definitely bad. It was a bad time to be a gamer and want to buy a graphics card. So during 2017, Nvidia's GeForce GPU became favored among cryptocurrency miners, driving enormous profits for the firm's gaming division. I don't want to say the GeForce GPU was the favorite. I think AMD definitely had it beat out, but now Nvidia was still a huge player in the mining market, or for graphics cards. In May 2017, Nvidia also launched a chip specifically engineered for cryptocurrency mining. The crypto SKU for sales would be recorded under a catch-all business segment. However, the crypto SKU failed to catch on, with many miners continuing to purchase GeForce GPUs instead. And the reason why that is because the price of the cryptocurrency designed ones really wasn't cost effective at a small scale. So imagine you're a at-home miner. You have maybe one, maybe two rigs, and that's kind of a big, at-home miner. Your average miner doesn't have 10 rigs fully stacked. Your average miner is more like a guy building up a couple cards, get his first rig, then start working on the second rig, that kind of thing. Which ain't a bad problem. It ain't a bad thing, but yeah. It's still, it wasn't worthwhile for people to buy the mining specific one when they could buy the gaming specific one and then have it, the resale value to gamers later on, not just miners. So that's probably why I didn't catch on. Anyway, the plaintiffs argue that despite the surge in demand from crypto miners driving sales for GeForce units, Nvidia attributed the demand to gamers as its revenue contributed to the firm's gaming division. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty easy to see that miners were buying GeForce cards. The amended filing follows California federal judge Haywood Gilliam's downsizing of the case in March, while Judge Gilliam found that the investors had failed to demonstrate that Nvidia knowingly issued false statements. He found the plaintiff's assertions to properly link the 30% drop in share price to Nvidia's partial corrective disclosure. So yeah, not great news, but you know what? I think Nvidia is going to bounce back from this. It's not going to end up being a long-term problem. Once it gets, it's water under the bridge basically. It's already old news as soon as it came out. But yeah. Now, with that being said, before we get off here, ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted you guys to know I will be missing a few days. I missed yesterday. If you didn't see, I got my snazzy. I actually need to get a haircut, but I shaved up because I don't need to shave again. I'm getting married, not this weekend, but next week, and then I'm going to be on a honeymoon. So I'm going to have some videos ready to go. I was working on my solar stuff. I've been working on my farm a little bit. I don't know if I'm going to set those to try to release while I'm gone, but obviously I won't be doing live streams and I won't be doing videos while I'm gone. So, yeah, that kind of thing. But, yeah, I did want to give a huge shout out and thank you to the members of the actual channel. And if you're interested in joining and becoming a member, there's a join button down below. But these guys right here, we just had some people hit their 4-month mark. That was Batman, Just Mike, and Red Panda Mining. Thank you for being joined up and a member for 4 months straight. Then we have Savage Mine, Crypto Mining Tools, Done One Too Many, and Yashnik for 3 months straight. And then Commander Vlogs, Dave Stitz, Dan the Dane, and Nefarious Technology, all in the 1 month category. Thank you guys, much appreciated. Literally helping me keep the lights on. So yeah, never required, but always appreciated. So thank you guys. I hope you have a good night, and we will see you on the next one. Adios.